But music now recreation, you get me. Most of the biggest artists won't get now on top another person idea they recreate, now they make it single. You get so that one you know will shock me. But who dey inside a motor?
Now girl now you want put for inside the motor. Eh?
Nah,
they go on a lunch date on inside the motor or a dinner date.
Wait be the thing when they happen between Loja and motor. Remember the jam before now when talk about Tesla. Tesla open how to talk again. Oh.
Maybe not just lover of good vehicles. If you like good motor, you understand.
Okay,
so for somebody where they walk like me, we get legged Benz. I think no feel really talk about in my motor.
Dear, now your chest. If you want to buy motor today, now
I beg you know what your height see yesterday when your motor give you problem. You know how much you spend.
No, you not give me problem. You go do normal servicing.
How many times do they service your car in a year?
The last time I service, I even it's supposed not pass 5,000 miles. The last time when I service was July. So between July and yesterday, I don't drive more than 5,000 miles. I don't even drive reach 7,000 miles. So when I can't reach there, which is the normal.
So now, in addition, now once in a year, did they service the motor?
It's supposed to be twice in a year. Since every yeah, if you use that 5,000 miles, depending on how you drive the car, within 3 months. You get me. That means you don't overuse the oil. You get
if I want to use this motor, I go need to know a lot of things about the motor.
No, servicing now why they can't go this mobile filling station because once you go there they'll give you original you get why and now they use the mobile one which is 33,000. I buy 2, that's over 60 something. They do flushing. Oil for flushing almost like 5,000 something.
Change of class.
Plus flushing, filter, everything.
Filter, Snapchat too dey there. Everything dey for inside this your motor.
If you change you will change your filter. Go buy motor, Becca. Go buy motor.
You now you flush, now you filter.
Now the quality of the motor when they drive.
Now when they try tell somebody say na benzo.
Which one they use?
Then if I dey service, I think they use that your mobile one. Two cost, huh?
Now big boy na.
No,
but if I want service.
You know, so every car gets it.
Now like 20K they service.
And since that you own a 90,000 naira.
Yes.
See your life. You're a big boy.
But anyway, when they use that my lipopo. That I said that 50,000 until the service. And they buy the lowest oil. I'll tell you pour my motor will use her.
Now like 20K until the service now.
Even right now.
Because oil don't cost well so.
Yeah, it don't extra. Because last time when I service for July, it was 28,500.
From 20,000 to
33. No, say they buy 2. So 33, you get me. And it not funny yesterday. Now God will save me.
So how frequently it is service a motor?
Okay, now every 6 months it's supposed to be.
Every 6 months. 6 months to tell. My motor they drive every day.
No, now be the special thing about that oil.
About that oil, okay.
You get me? That oil not like Odogu of oil.
Okay,
you get me? So if you use that oil, like for your motor, if people use that for one year, you get me? And also I think not be able by how long now the miles when your motor don't go.
Don't cover, yeah.
So anything above 5,000, me say you need to go service that oil. Okay. So as I service on yesterday, they don't write the miles when in day, which is I think 60 something.
Me, you know I don't know what my motor don't do for service. Now the color of the oil.
Okay, you go touch.
I go check. You know when you want check motor, I go check. Like this, see, and
you know they draw.
And then me, I don't know. I don't
like
used
draw
to
like okra.
I don't they used to checking the car every time I want come on. Like this morning now, I want drive the CRV.
Yeah.
I say make I just check this engine. Never check for a while. Now open as I just open and now notice say the belt, the fan belt. I don't see one small mark where like something on the scratch. Now I say, if I drive this thing now, I don't know what's going to happen. Now I say, okay, I'll carry the other car. You understand? Like I say, I no check now for good driver. I don't know what's going to happen for road. You understand? And the other one I go check. So when I dey check, sometimes if I just bring out the oil, I go look at if the oil is still neat. This car still okay.
But now the same way they check generator now.
Yes,
you just check if the oil don't.
So and then if you see gauge and you see neat, once I say the oil don't dey black. This motor don't.
And also if you touch her, you know be like what they draw.
You know slimy again.
Slimy at the wall. You know say you need to go service.
You know say yes. So that's part of the thing. But people need to even in a new car. Don't see when brand new car we stop on top of Milan Bridge before. Because something just go wrong because the person say sometimes the tendency I say if you get new car you go just drive and
so you check engine, check water.
Sometimes you just be like person buy new laptop. Sometimes if you refuse to work on new phone, you can't go back. I just buy this phone. Car set be like that. So that's why everybody need to do the normal checks.
Even where they complain say that money too much. Now somebody they shout, Oga, Oga Stamper. Why? You say your guy not go believe her. If you go to your guy, say 135,000 it is 70 car.
So they need to start by making carry the receipts go.
Good,
That's what it's supposed to be.
Me where they look my leg at this, at least
I go for. I
go for pedicure. Yes, so service my leg.
How long do you do your service?
You do pedicure?
I don't legacy.
So as now they change the Naija, they change the pedicure, the nails too. I they do my own pedicure for my leg at this.
How much did they spend?
For my pedicure? You know, if we reach 15,000, but now depending on your location. But if na island pedicure, some people go charge you as much as 20K. For island, for
just
an island,
your leg with iron.
Which is a blade. Which one with iron? The way they scrape out.
Then they'll put the leg for water.
So the reason why they cost sometimes that because they go ask you, say na gel nail paints you won't put for that your or na normal paint. If na gel they more expensive. But if na normal one,
you know you they change your oil.
I they change the oil of my legs too. So whether na the two owner, car owners, I they change my own leg at this Benz oil too. I cannot kill myself. I can't kill myself.
Thank God. Anyway, a lot don't happen, God will. So more just look into
a lot don't happen though, because this is how they talk about cars. They were supposed to call them moto. Because when I see what money give okay back I say and our guy yo.
He give them moto.
Yes, that you know see the moto.
Join the name of people. Just project when give moto too. I think
you don't see the moto when I give them.
I don't see.
Make I show you.
Now Harrison give them moto.
E-money.
I see.
E-money. No say do it birthday. So every year for a birthday, I think
this person, leave me alone. DJ Flash, leave me alone. No. I say Becca, you be Jebu woman. I am from Ogun State. Abeokuta to be precise, but leave me.
See the motto now. We give our guy.
Oh, but I heavy with that. Now I'm like Land Cruiser.
Now he give. Now he give you. Then the same thing I give okay Bakasi, but okay Bakasi with a gold color. This one I be car. Now machine.
Now car be motor.
What will they drive now?
Motor will they drive for where this one?
Motor will they drive. So
how they be friend? How they make friend with him money?
No, everybody don't be their friend. Now our guy.
So no, like I if it be our.
You don't try to go sell ticket. If I don't sell ticket to him money,
you not become that kind of show now.
R&B. If you go sell your ticket now for him money, he money go send you money. No condition.
No, I know.
But now your place the security don't there now because only money security. You all go food.
Now that one concern me.
Okay, I will link you up. Is my oga?
Is your oga?
But R&B wants to be his friend.
I want to be.
He's my oga and friend. You know he gets some friend. You know they call them friend. They call them oga.
Because the kind money when I get.
Because the kind money.
Now why did they talk say the way men they react to money? Yes,
you understand.
Because he get the kind of money a person go get. How you go to call him friend is disrespectful. It's my boss.
Is it your
It's my chairman. You understand? It's a share. You understand? So that one I be.
I understand. Say they usually do this thing every year.
No.
They give his staff. I see a video when
the guy na giver. Yeah, he gives so many staff cars and all those stuff.
But if you see your boss, I don't understand. What's going on?
No, my own time. Na turn by turn.
Your turn ever.
Some years ago, na funny bone he give one message. Now you are okay Bakasi.
Even like saying that people waiting in the comedy line, they give this money to. Since that you're already in the line.
No, you need to fall in the line. He don't give. No, in those days he don't give.
Funny bone, okay Bakasi.
No, but
he do funny.
Wait, but he don't give our guy in those days now. OPJ. Give a motor in those days. Yes. So he go see come back to OAPs. He go starting with. He don't come about you on OAP too.
I bet money do fast. I'm your friend
starting
from now.
With me.
But don't worry, I come from a Dewis Admission. He's a child here.
You know what to make I not add my name for this one. Casey forget to remind them.
Okay.
But Casey go remember
so
now.
So Casey you go blame.
I know they really blame cases. I forget because I don't remind them. Because next year Vivian will play when one share.
But it's nice. Those kind of generosity.
No, it's good.
When you get enough, at least extend your hand to people when we say they're not.
Since that you extend.
I did try for my little way now.
Talking about naira scarcity, I don't know if you na see wetin or Jeeves or Kalu talk. He say because of this first scarcity, your family no fit even cook. Come on, show.
I don't believe him.
I make her give us the juice finish now. He said the former governor of Abia State and senator where they represent Abia North for the National Assembly, Jews or Kalu, he don't yarn say both him and the family members, so they are suffering over the Naira redesign plus this cashless policy. He talked this one when he appeared on top of Channel's television program on Monday. Naija claims say in family can no longer cook over this policy. From waiting yarn, you can see the policy is right, but I don't keep money in my house. I am suffering. The other day, my house manager told my wife in Abuja that we have no money to cook food. My wife was virtually roaming around, and we feed like over 250 people every day. It is a problem to me and to everybody.
Hold on. You feed how many people?
250.
A prison.
It's not 20.
You reach to us now. I been they run.
Even prison, don't they use that?
No, what do they call this thing?
Oh my God.
Refugee camp.
Since that your mouth so good.
No, 200.
It don't be prison, it go be federal refugee camp. Because I know that's 250 people. For what?
People.
In the 250 people.
Yes, 250 people.
Where then they?
Where then
Don't be just an senator and a two-time governor.
Okay, two-time governor and senator.
So he can't react to President Muhammadu Buhari directive to the central bank about the 200 naira note where they talk say when they make and circulate onto the eve of March 11 governorship election. He can't say this is why if I am in the position of the Mr. President, as I have told you before, I will listen to the Supreme Court judgment. The Supreme Court, to me, whether they are right or wrong, Mr. President should obey the law and ask his Attorney General to put a review to the Supreme Court. But you don't talk saying that 250 people they feed and there's no food on ground.
Even they feed 250 people, I'm not surprised because you know, say for Nigeria, the way politics be, once one person don't reach on top, the entire generation they depend on that. I feel say that 250 is an exaggerated number by too much.
250.
But apart from that,
250.
That's a thing. It's a judge number. You know, finish. Number 2, Mayor Juzakari no tell us he no get money. I don't want to hear that.
He say no food for in house.
Na lie.
They no see money cook.
Na lie.
If they use cash, they pay normally before.
Even if you need cash, I don't understand. So what Juzakari now want tell me now? Say
you don't know who bank manager when he come.
Wait, you know who that man be. You know the kind of money where that man hold. So that man now money where they for bank, now they even sustain some bank. That kind of man I go call one bank manager and need cash. He go say no day. He no day. I bet.
Somebody here say make you send your account number. Maybe
something. Those kind of people know they lack cash. May not talk them again. They know they lack cash.
You know what they try happen. They try to play.
In the contest for election for Senate for in state now. So he want in the suffer. Yes. I beg. It be like me Gbadami Amila now. Content me saying they find cash or Jagaban saying they find cash. I beg me then stop. Find who's cash.
So, but my own problem now, since they no see food cook, how do they take survive?
Who's food they don't cook? They see cook.
But now you talk that they no see food.
That guy person, I think they even cook. So means that 250. Don't be caterer. They give the contract.
He say he manager, the food manager. They even get manager.
The manager go just
that be houseboy.
No food manager.
They go just tell the caterer say make it supply. See, I tell you, I don't. When we go interview one governor, we know how they eat now. When we go interview the governor in those days,
they know they buy things quick.
When we go the governor, when it reach time to eat lunch, now buffet, now the table long. I know even the table not even get end. When I ask one of the guys where they work there, say how far? He said I saw it they be morning, afternoon, evening. The table has to be full.
This sincere too. I'd also the privilege to visit government. You know how the team matter they work. They not they will go market, go buy things. People they can't
deliver things for them.
Write time because they write everything.
Yes, they go write time. Then they will transfer money.
So they don't even use car. What you brought they talk down.
Yes, that's why I say
they lie. Because old people not supposed to lie.
R&B, I beg. They not lying. They lie.
But I even feel so even before the naira scarcity begin to happen, they don't even stock the house. If Twins Daddy and you people can stock your house before the.
I never stock. You don't stock.
I don't stock. Tete na.
You don't finish. You don't
know. You don't go finish.
I check rice bag of rice yesterday now. No, now you.
Now the last one.
You don't buy that one. That one buy.
No, now you me buy last time.
No, plenty.
No, when you take buy for me?
December now.
That one don't finish. Now the one office give me.
Your children in the shop.
You don't finish.
Okay.
Your children in the shop.
You don't get the bottom. Already.
I not be say you do party for us for January. Your rice don't finish.
The money. The carry rice goes score almost everything. It gets when you give them. Do you do like yesterday? I almost want to sound my son, but God that is in me hold me because they just serve and food. The next see you do body like this, me food your puff.
Now mistake you use story. I'm not be saying that.
Why go they turn? You know that they see the food by you just throw away the rice, and that was I got go cut because my wife can't do portion because I tell her say let's be managing. I mean, not they remember the true way.
If they don't stock my house, me I don't really know because I don't say that. But I mean they talk about stocking.
Yeah.
But me I know. ask when I don't know. I don't already release, and the problem I said that's why I go call my guy the work for bank where help me raise that 100K cash, because he don't let me say you need the cash that time.
In that, so even right now the guy no fit raise that money again.
They don't transfer the guy go headquarters, and everybody want to do the work for bank. Say if he head office, they need to deal with cash.
No,
so it's difficult. That's why I don't think get another cash again. So imagine if me. This small Godwin wey dey here so. Pick on one guy for bank, I get 100K. He can't be former governor. I beg. Make Baba park.
I need to make a lot of friends with bankers and
make park where I beg.
It is well. Sing along. With us so today. It is well. With us so today. Thank you. Why would you don't sing along?
No, because now they sing like two wings.
A quick one. Somebody be asked question earlier. I think this one of the most commonly asked question. You say if you get a fully funded scholarship to abroad and your partner Yan say you must choose between them and the scholarship, are you going to take morning, afternoon, and evening
now
flight?
You people are married now, but now me I go fi answer you.
Okay.
But now that una day, una go, una no go take a bus, una don't get family.
Oh, your answer.
I want to hear you first.
So Becca, so what will be your answer?
Me, they don't get flight immediately, like 5 minutes later. Flight minutes.
Which kind of partner be
I don't
that one?
No, I thought say both of them will be answer immediately. I don't understand.
Even when you are married.
See which kind of partner be the one
you go first think because you have children.
No, even when you are married, if you dey married, you go need to think a lot of things.
Yes.
But if you be single person, una just a friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, una dey engaged, person can't get fully on the scholarship. Anyhow you want to look at na progress.
Yes.
But
then you
consider
make the person no go.
Right now, even when you are married and it happens, say your wife gets scholarship or husband gets scholarship, be sincere as a partner. You feel the need to ask such a question. Let's be, is it sensitive to ask such a question?
To ask, say whether the person go take her or not.
Is it sensitive?
No, but you go feel
to ask because na family.
Because some people don't travel for things like that. Before you do it happen, the marriage don't scatter.
Yeah.
Because some marriage, not be every marriage fit survive distance. That kind
but don't forget,
long distance for 1 year, stay away and all that.
You might just need like 2 years to move.
2 years.
Yes, before we go right now, somebody just reminded us of waiting Lady J been talk about the Oron men where Lady J talk say they lazy. So when Lady J they talk about them, some other listeners when they put say no, na Delta men.
Say
Robo men. Say yes. They drink when the wife go work.
I don't be Robo be Shakiri.
Okay,
you be Delta now.
Delta, yes.
So we talk say now when you come, you go feed defend your people.
Say what you say
the men.
You know, say some states they will be say we say their men they like to just relax. And the women go out go work.
And then na lie, no be anybody talk that about the other state now.
So they can't say. Lady they say Oron men for Akwa Ibom.
Oron.
So like 5 people. Some say na lie, say na Delta men.
Na lie.
So see, which men?
See. You know they call laziness. Not be say you work morning till night. Now me say they work hard. Delta state men they work smart. You understand? That's why if you work smart. I remember it now they say, but I'll give you an instance. People from my area they gossip say I don't get work. Because I go finish morning runs by 11. Like 12 1, I don't reach out. Any other 2 hours they do. Now online, maybe I get MC work to do one weekend, MC one wedding. People think I they do for one night, or maybe I be thief, I they go thief for night. Because I go come out. I'll come out for house like 5 a.m., 4:45. Leave studio by 6. By 12, I don't reach out. 11:30, I don't reach out. They wonder from morning to morning, and this one they work.
And they say your wife, they come back after work.
If they come at night, they'll say they work hard past me. And I mean, they fit. You understand? Okay, now even my area now, so how could they look me? And they leave house this morning now I leave house 10 minutes past 10. I see this studio by 10:35. Now I go see reach house before 5. They wonder which kind of work this one they do. You see now Delta State man. And they work smart. And they work smart. They go say so now working smart. That's it man. I remember when I grew up, my papa they go catch fish for this Lagos.
They not drink palm wine from early morning.
No, that because we don't do the work keep. Because we don't do the work keep. No, we don't do the work keep. Enough done there for us. So we go sit down man when women serve us. That's how they bring the drink.
I just say God
bring the starch and the banga soup and the fresh fish and all those things. We eat well and we think well and the difference is that.
Say they will come start to they play game.
Because a natural Delta man they proud naturally. And so because we're proud, we work hard and smart, then we get enough time to enjoy
also,
our because we feel saying that we they sustain the family, that we they sustain the country.
Delta women are also hardworking. I've told you, if I want to, especially when I don't get with Delta women, I even feel say they more hardworking than the men. Yes, most of them they go farm, they'll come from Pankari and go farm. Or not be say the husband not they go sometimes, but majorly now they do the hard work. I think maybe not the idea say the men they lazy.
And because we they get enough time to think, that's why we they very creative. Check the creative industry now. Delta
Alibaba, you know say you go the fair
one. Hush baby, Godwin Aruwayo.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.